ASOS has 4 dresses in its range, of which it sold 185 of the disc, 354 of the talls, 24 of the all-over drapes, and 88 of the not front milkmaid dresses. And we want to know whether the instruction should be to discontinue the range or to reorder more of the range. So if we look at the rule, we've got two options. If the sales in units is at or below 200, then the item is to be discontinued, but if unit sales are above 200, then we should reorder the item. So when you've got two rules, we can use a basic if function. Equals if, open bracket, and Excel's asking for the logical test, and the test is if E9, the sales in units, is less than or equal to, equal always has to come after the less or greater than, 200, comma, that's what we call our logical test. Then if that's true, the information to be displayed is, in talking marks, item is to be discontinued. I mean, you can type anything you want in here. Close talking marks, comma, and then you'll notice the third part of this function is the false argument. If it's not to be discontinued, what's the counter argument? And in this case, it is to be reordered. So item is to be reordered. Talking marks, close bracket. So because we've only sold 185, the item is to be discontinued. But if I turn that into a 250 units of sale, you'll find now that the instruction is that the item is to be reordered. So if function, 3 components, the logical test. If that's true, what do we display? If it's false, what do we display?